Okay, guys, I'm going to talk really fast because I only got 5 minutes to screencastify. So, this is the Rossman and Chance applet collection. Well, this is not the collection, but it's an applet in the collection called Descriptive Statistics. So, this is information that comes from section 2.4, 2.5, dealing with dot plots, histograms, and box plots. So, this is sort of kind of a simulation. And Alan Rossman and Beth Chance teach at the University of California Polytech, and they've written like several textbooks and manuals, how-to manuals, go-to guides. Um, they've also written dozens and dozens of articles and gave presentations on statistics all around the world. So they're pretty well known in the research community. Anyway, the applet collection was created about 2 decades ago. Before like Codap, Fathom, Tinkerplot, stuff like that. It's really dynamic. But the concept is sort of similar to what you'll see in Codap, except Codap's a little bit more dynamic, whereas you can drop and drag attributes. But you can upload your own data in here. All you need to do is copy and paste, maybe out of a spreadsheet or something like that. But anyway, we're just going to use the data that's already here. And if you want to know how to play with this thing, they give you like a bulleted instruction guide over here, so you can follow that. But we're just going to do our own thing here. So I'm going to hit random sample and just get some random sample values. There's 50 numbers here. So here's a distribution, a dot plot distribution to be exact. And there's the histogram for this dot plot. Looks pretty normal to me. Got a number way over here, so this is a max. Got a number way over here, so this is a min. And got a bunch of numbers that are the same here. I see some clustering around here at the higher numbers. So that probably tells me that this thing is my mean is somewhere over here probably, and I got some data that's pulling this thing this way. It sort of looks, if you look at it, sort of goes up here and then it goes down here, so it sort of tails off here. So I want to say this box plot's going to be left skewed before I even do anything. So I can get my actual mean, median, standard deviation, IQR, so I can sort of kind of play with it and see whether I really know what I'm talking about here. So let's just visualize, let's just see the box plot since we've sort of visualized the curve and where the box plot's at. Okay. So this is pretty normal actually. My tail here, this whisker here, tail, whatever you want to call it, is about the same length as this one, but it looks like this one might be longer. And I'm assuming it's probably because of this data value right here. So that's what it's got. That's what's got it a little bit longer. So Q1 to minimum to Q1 is 25%. Q1 to my median is 25%. 25% from median to Q3. Q3 to max is also 25%. So not a lot of data from here to here. And actually look at this box plot. This stuff is it's very normal. So that means my mean and median will be really close to one another. Let's actually see what the mean is here. So the actual mean is 92.5, which is right here. So it's left of my median, and my median is 94. So median is 94 here. Let's see standard deviation. Standard deviation is 16.113. So standard deviation in relation to the mean is probably about 15% of my mean. And my IQR is the width of my box. It is 23. So Q3 minus Q1 gives us the width of our box. So that tells me 50% of my data lie between these values of 81 and 104. So what I really want you to do is just sort of kind of play around with it. Just hit random sample and get another random sample, and it automatically calculates this stuff right here. And as you can see, I don't have but 20 some more seconds here. So just play around with it. Just and you can do the same thing in Codap as well with the roller coaster data. All right, talk to you later.